Noise. Noise. I've got all this cacophony and noise. It's saying now. Now, it's saying all kinds of shit. It's saying sheets laying in the light, capturing the sun wrapped around our bodies. Shit, we are free. Free. There's people back home, but now it's only you and me. Tell them our story. Make some noise. I want to make some noise. Noise, because just like they are talking. They're all up in our ears making noise. Noise, but I don't want to hear it. I just want to lay where it's silence. And we can fuck that noise.